How to monetize your Facebook page in 2026. So let's jump in. First, you need to open up your Facebook app on your phone. This works same whether you're using your iPhone or your Android or even a computer. Now, you should need to switch from your personal profile to a Facebook page. You want to monetize. Go with the drop down and select your Facebook page. Now you need to again go with the profile, which will be in the bottom right. You will have this kind of interface. You'll have the professional dashboard, the insights and everything. You'll see the insights, analytics, and many more. But what we're looking for is the monetization option. So go with your professional dashboard, and then you can scroll down and you'll find the monetization, or go with analytics and then just scroll down. Or in my case, the monetization option is on the top right. So tap on the monetization, and here it says that in my case, I'm not eligible yet. But if you're eligible, then you'll be able to move to the next process. So in my case, I'm not eligible. You'll have all of the available monetization tools right here, which are partnership ads, where you can work with brands. You'll have content monetization. This includes ads on Reels and other content. Stars is where fans can tip you during live videos. Subscriptions, if you want to offer exclusive content, then you can tap on each tool to check your eligibility. If you recently met all of the criteria, then you need to allow up to 2 days to get the access. So you'll need a required number of followers or engagement, supported countries, community standards, compliance, and once you're eligible, apply and Facebook will review your request and you should hear back in a few days. Once you've applied, come back to the monetization section in your dashboard to check the status. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.